In this tutorial, we will do a high-level overview of setting up our development environment so that we can be prepared for doing all our hands-on Jakarta JEE 8 web development examples. All external links will be provided in the description of this video. This slide shows the development environment that we will be using for our course. Following set of slides will show you where to find the official online guides for installing and setting up your development environment. Following along with the official documentation will provide you with a head start and a better understanding of the overall development setup. Java is of course runnable on most modern operating systems, and Windows 10 can be swapped out easily for Mac OS, Unix, or Linux. This slide shows the official download and installation guides for the Java OpenJDK 11. Once you choose one of these links, you can pick the correct version for your operating system and install it. Always remember that Google is your friend in case these links stop working or get moved after this course has been published and you need to find the official download and installation guides. This slide shows the official Git homepage and the download and installation URL for Git, which is what we will use as source control in our project. You will be able to use Git to get access to the source code and work your way through the example. Here we have the official download and installation URL for Eclipse. We will be using MariaDB, which is an open source fork of the popular commercial Oracle MySQL database. We will be downloading and installing the latest stable release of MariaDB. We will then use the Eclipse database tools to create, configure, and populate our database. We will be using Maven to manage our project structure, our builds and releases. Eclipse comes with Maven integration, which will be helpful in all our demonstrations. We will use Tomcat to demonstrate how to set up, run, and debug a Jakarta Enterprise web application, and we will achieve this through setting up Tomcat integration with the Eclipse IDE. In case you got stuck along the way, the following set of short tutorials will walk you through the downloading and setting up our development environment for Windows 10. I will see you in the next video.